So just to look at Rewordify and to explain it, Rewordify.com is a nice tool which allows you to freely rephrase challenging text. So I'm just going to briefly go back to Skullnet, take a look at this introduction, which has quite a lot of challenging vocabulary in it. So I'm going to highlight the text here, just from the introduction. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste that into Rewordify. So I'm going to rewordify that text from the Encyclopedia Britannica. Here, the text is clarified a little bit. You can see the words that have been highlighted have been changed from the original text. So instead of portion of, the text was reworded to part or amount of. You can click again to explain the words. That is Eastern, and to explain the explanation of the words. There are 20 hard words. How many do you want to learn? Let's say 10 of them. And it will bring you to a section where you can specifically build your vocabulary through exploring that. You can look at parts of speech, and that can be broken up. That can be really helpful for, dissecting a piece of reading. If we go back to Skullnet and even look at a foundation level and explore, let's just look for dolphins. And this text is relatively simple, but I'm going to reword this anyway, just so that you can see. So we'll go back to rewordify.com and we'll ask it to rewordify this text. And no matter how easy the text is, it will always find words to explain. So next to could be alongside, like killer whales or whales. So orcas is just another word for a type of whales. Milk producing animals is mammals, and so on. Okay, so Wordify.com is a really handy and useful tool for rewordifying text.